Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You Complete Placement Solution. Friends, as you know, TCS has announced the examination date, so we are conducting the mock test based on the latest pattern. And this mock test will be based on the reasoning question. So here we are going to solve 15 reasoning question in 10 minutes. All questions are very important, and remember, similar question exactly might be asked in your examination, or okay, you will be getting the same pattern based question in your exam. Before watching the solution of the questions which I am going to do, so these are the question which we will be solving today. So before you watch the solution in this video, what you have to do, you have to try solving by yourself. Okay, then friends, there is a note here that I will be taking more than 10 minutes because I need to explain the concept to each and everyone. Okay, that is the reason it will take more time. And please mention the time which you are taking to solve this mock test. Okay, so I have given you for the 15 questions of reasoning, I have given you 10 minutes. So I wanted to see how much time you are taking. You are taking more than that, or you are taking less than that. Okay, now, so friends, mock test 1 and 2, definitely we have done it here, and it is uploaded on our YouTube channel. So TCS NQT mock test 2 and here TCS NQT mock test 1. Okay, so this is for aptitude, and today we are going to do it for the reasoning. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you get all the mock test or all the updates regarding the TCS examination. Okay, now let us start with the question number 1. Select the option that is related to the third number in the same way as the second number is related to the first number and the sixth number is related to the fifth number. That means this first and second number are related to each other in some way, and then 39 and 91 is related to the each other in some way. And similar way we have to find out what will be the pair for 54. Now, so 18 and 42. So friends, what they have done basically, so they have multiplied 18 into 2, 36, and then they have divided 18 by 3. So now this is 36 plus 6 is nothing but 42. See, for this kind of question, there might be more than one logic. So if somebody is able to solve it by other logic, so totally fine, there is no problem at all. Then 39 and 91. So 39 and 91. So 39 you have to multiply by 2. Okay, and then 39 you have to divide by 3. So this is the logic they have followed. 78 plus 13, so it will be nothing but 91. Okay, now same thing with 54. So 54 we will multiply with 2, and then 54 we will divide by 3. So this was a good question which was asked in the exam. Plus 18, it is nothing but 126. So option D will become the correct answer. Okay, friends, everybody has to mention the time, that 15 question how much time you are taking, and you were able to solve the individual questions or not, you have to see. Okay, so 126, that means option D will be the correct answer. Multiply by 2 and divide by 3 to the same number, then you will be getting the next value. This is the logic for this particular question. Now, question number 2. Friend, this question I know many of you will not be able to give the answer. Okay, I definitely know, but this question is very easy. Okay, but you will be like thinking how this A B C D, okay, the movement is happening. Okay, so you will be stuck in that only, and then you will not be able to get the value, but it is very easy. Now you see, so we have A B C D E F G H I, A B C D E F G H I. Okay, A B C D, then E F G H I. Okay, so A B C D E F G H I. Okay, now, so if you'll see, so the second figure is having L into it, third figure is having P into it. Okay, and fourth figure is having O into it. Okay, see, we have A B C D E F G H I, so that pattern, so that only getting shifted here and there. So if we have L, P and O, that we don't need. We need a figure where only A B C D E F G H I is there. That is nothing but in the first figure, so your answer will become option A. Now many will start thinking how A is moving, A shifted here. Okay, and then B shifted here. Yeah, see, you will be definitely thinking then B shifted here. But if you think logically, so you have to A B C D E F G H I, so you have to do with all these letters only A to I. Okay, if you're getting any other letters, that is not in your question, so that you can ignore it. Then, so which terms from the option will replace the question mark in the given series? Okay, now, so here 40K, 65J, 101H, 150E. Okay, now let us try to see what is happening with the digits. Okay, so here 15. Okay, so here if you'll see 5, sorry 25 here. So the difference is 25, and now the difference is here 36, and then the difference here is 49. Okay, so basically if we try to see the difference, my dear friends, then the difference is 5 square, okay, 6 square and 7 square. So the next difference will be 8 square. So 150 plus 8 square is 64. That means it will be 412. So 214. So there is only one option is there, right? Okay. See, I will tell you. So the first number when we took the difference, it is 25. 25 is nothing but 5 square. Okay, I'm repeating it. Second difference when you took it is 36. 36 is nothing but 6 square. Third difference when we took it is 49. 49 is nothing but 7 square. So the next difference will be definitely 64. That is nothing but 8 square. So 150. So 150 plus 64 will be what? 214. Okay. Now you do not have to check for the letters. If you want, you can check it out. But I don't want to waste your time here. And the same thing you also have to do in the exam. See, if there is two option, if there is one more option, 214 and C here, that time you have to deal with the alphabets. But in this case, you do not have to deal with the alphabets. Okay. So I hope this question will be clear to you. And from here, I will erase the screen, and this one you can see. So K, J, H, E, B. Okay, so see, basically you have to write the alphabets, and then you will be able to get the logic. Okay, if you don't get the logic, let me know, because I don't want to invest the time at least here. Okay, now next. So next is, which is the wrong term in the following series? So you have to find out the wrong term in the following series. Now, so basically A, B, C, D, I will write few letters here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Till K I will write. So the position of A is 1, the position of B is 2. I mean, this is the numbering you are just doing. There are total 26 alphabets are there, my dear friends. Okay. 9, 10, and 11. Total 26 alphabets is there. Okay. So do not add or subtract. It is fixed. Now, so here we could see. So we have B4, D16, G49, K100. What is this? So B is the position of B is 2. Now 2 square will give you 4. That is what is written B4. Now D. D position is 4. 4 square will give you 16. That is what is written here. Then G49. G position is 7. 7 square will give you 49. That is what is written here. And then K. Okay, so K is 11. 11 square will be 121. But what is written here? 100. That means this is the culprit. This is what you are searching. This is the culprit. So instead of 121, they have given 100. That means this will become your answer. So what is the wrong term in the following series? So the wrong term in the following series will be this. Now, somebody is finding what is J, what is 1, what is W. You do not have to do that. That is not your job. Okay. You simply have to solve the question and come out. Okay, so you have to save the time in the exam. Now, so syllogism. So syllogism is a very important topic if we'll talk about the reasoning in the TCS examination or any exam. Even if we talk about Infosys, even if we talk about Wipro, any exam you talk. So the syllogism basically is one of the very important topic. Now, so let us try to make the uh, diagram here. Okay, Venn diagram here. So let us try to make the Venn diagram here. So no cupboard is a table. Okay, so no cupboard is a table. Now this is nothing but my cupboard and this is nothing but my table. So no cupboard is table. So cupboard and table do not have any relation. Cupboard and table do not have any relation. Now no table is a television. So no table is a television. Now table and television does not have any relation. Now table and television does not have any relation. All wires are television. So all wires are television. So all wires I am putting inside the television. Now, so what is the conclusion? So no table is a wire. No table is a wire. So if you'll see here, no table is a wire. Yes. See, if they're telling, here you can see. So no table is a wire. So no table is a television. So outside only the table do not have any relation. So this is table and this is television. Okay. Now, so the table and television. So this outside only you do not have any relation. So if the wire is inside, then definitely you will not have any relation with the wire. See, I'll tell you one simple example. Suppose, so this is your outside house and this is your inside house. Okay, now, so if some terrorist comes, Okay, now if your outer house is safe, then definitely your inner house will be also safe, right? Inner room will be also safe. So if the table do not have any relation with television, table will not have any relation with the wire also. So no table is a wire, correct. Then no table is a cupboard. So no table is a cupboard, yes, that has been told in the question itself. So no table is a cupboard, that has been told in the statement itself. No cupboard is a table and no table is a cupboard. If you are saying no A or B, that means A does not have any relation with B, then you can also say no B or A, no B or A. So in that case, my answer will become both conclusion 1 and 2 follows, right? Both conclusion 1 and 2 follows. So this will become your correct answer, okay? Now, I hope you have understood this solution. Any doubt is there, comment section is open for you and I will definitely reply to the comment section. But before that, I wanted to tell you friends, so making one video takes lot of effort, okay, trust me. So it takes around 3 to 4 hours to make one video. So if you're watching this video, please comment that if you have understood, like if you do not have any doubt, or if you like my teaching, so please comment and share with your friends, and definitely like and subscribe to the channel as usual, and click on bell icon. Okay, now, so all cutlets are pastries and all breads are pastries. Okay, so all this question you need to understand. So all cutlets are pastries, and this is my pastries. All cutlets are pastries, and then all breads are pastries. Okay, so all cutlets are pastries and all breads are pastries. Okay, but I wanted to ask you, so have they given any relation between cutlet and bread? Cutlet and bread, have they given any relation? No, they have not given any relation. Remember one thing in syllogism. So if they have not given any relation between two entity, then if they ask anything in the conclusion, you directly have to say I don't know. I don't know. All your conclusion is false. Okay, I will tell you, this question is very very important, you might get doubt, so that is the reason I'm repeating. Okay, now, so here there might be two cases because they have not given anything. So you can make a diagram like this. Some cutlets are bread. See, you can make any diagram if your statement is not getting violated. Yes, so in this case all cutlets are pastries, yes, true. All breads are pastries, true. So it is not getting violated. Now the second one will be when cutlet and breads does not have any relation. So there'll be two cases. If the relation has not been given, see, I'll give you one simple example. So suppose one boy and one girl is standing. Okay, now, so what you might guess? So they might be boyfriend girlfriend, they might be brother sister, they might be cousins, right? They might be you can say uncle and uh, the guy might be uncle of that girl. So they both might be a husband wife. Anything can happen, understanding? So anything can happen, you cannot say anything about that. If any conclusion is there, you have to tell it is wrong. So now some cutlet are bread, no, you cannot say anything, this is wrong. No cutlet is bread, no, you cannot say that, this is also wrong. Okay, because you have not given me any relation between cutlet and bread, how can you ask me the conclusion? That will never be true. Now, so that is done. And then comes if either or is there. Okay, now for either or there is some condition is there. If you do not know the basic, then you have to go through the basic, but I will tell you a bit of detail of that. So either or, so in either or both the conclusion should be false. So these are the condition. So both conclusion false, then only either or will come in picture. So here both is false. Now second one should be positive and one should be negative. Okay, so here there are some cases. So we have some no, so that is also true. Okay, some, here it is positive and here it is negative. And then your subject and predicate should be same. That means they should talk about the cutlet and they should talk about the bread in both the statement. Okay, subject and predicate should be same. So all the three conditions are following. So your answer will become either conclusion one, and here it will be or by mistake it has written nor. Okay, so either conclusion one or conclusion two follows. So remember, I will give you one tips. So whenever in the option you see that you have either, then you have to be little extra careful because your answer might be either, not might be. I have seen in 98% of the cases your answer will be either only, and that is the reason it has given to you. Now question number 7. So question number 7 is a question from the topic blood relation. Okay, So question number 7 is a topic from the blood relation. So in a family of 6 persons with 3 married couple, so very good, there are 3 married couple is there. A is the son of B. So let me start from here. So A is the son of B. Okay, so A is the son of B. So if A is son, A will be male. So for male we use a symbol plus, and for female we use a symbol for minus. It's not like female will be talking negative things. No, it is not like that. This is the convention which is coming from long time, and you might change, you can change plus minus, it's up to you. Okay, you have to understand. So A is the son of B and brother of C. So A is son of B and brother of C. Now I have given this kind of lines. A and C same line means they both do not have any kind of generation gap. Me and my sister will not have generation gap. My sister is 20 years younger to me, 20 years older to me. It will not happen, right? Okay, so generation gap won't be there. Now, so A is the son of B and brother of C. Now, C mother D. So C mother D. Okay, so this is confirmed. That means definitely B and D will be married to each other. And C mother D. Okay, so C mother D. Okay, is mother-in-law of E. Is mother-in-law of E. Okay, F's wife is sister-in-law of E. Okay, now I will put E here. So let us try to understand here. No problem. Just take some time and we will try to understand. Husband wife means both. And I will put F here. Okay, now, so what they're telling, C's mother D is mother-in-law of E. Okay, so definitely D cannot be mother-in-law of A and C, because A and C are there, either son or daughter. Okay, now, so definitely D will be mother-in-law of E or F. Okay, E or F. Okay, now, so that is clear now. So E or F, uh, D will be mother-in-law of. Okay, now clear. So now what options I have? Either I can put F here or I can put E here. This is the only option I have. Tell me if you are agree. Okay, now what they're saying, F's wife. So if you put F here, then A is the son. Then A is the son. Correct or not? Then A is the son. So I cannot put, my dear friends, F here. I cannot put F here. I'll have to put E only here. Okay. Now, okay. And F's wife. That means definitely C will be female and F will be male. So these are the 3 pairs. If you have any doubt here, comment box is open for you. Please let me know. Then how is A related to F? Okay, and one more thing here you can see. So F wife is sister-in-law of E. That is also true. How is A related to F? So sister A sister husband is F. That means A will be nothing but brother-in-law of F. So A will be nothing but brother-in-law of F. And for question number 7, option 1 will be the correct answer. So this was a very good question, I will say. So this was a very good question. You only have to use little bit of your mind, and then you will be easily able to solve this question. Now, question number 8. Question number 8, if you try to see, then here you have 2 arrows, but both arrows are centered. Okay, so both arrows are centered means both arrows are facing each other. Then, so 2 arrows were already there, and then 2 arrows came in the other direction, but now also you can see all arrows are facing towards the center. Then what happened? So this is first and second figure. Now third. So we have 4 arrow, but again you could see all are facing towards the center. So facing outside the center will not be your answer. Facing outside the center will not be your answer. So here 2 were there, then became 4. So here 4 are there. So it will definitely become 8, and 2 will come from here, 2 will come from here, because everybody has to go to the center. So option B will become the correct answer for the question number 8. And I hope this is also clear to you, friends. I'm telling you once again, if you are new to this channel, then subscribe Karlo, do subscribe and click on bell icon, because you are going to miss all these kind of activities. Okay, this will not happen anywhere else. Okay, so here the answer will become option B, and you have to tick and come from the examination. Now question number 9. Yes, this kind of question also you might get in exam. See, we cannot deny the fact, I cannot solve the simple problems. I have to take care of the questions which comes in the exam. 7 friends A B C D E F lives in a same 7 floored building. each one on a different floor. Ground floor is numbered as first floor. So let me write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 floors are there. I will write 2 times. I will tell you at the end why I have done that, so that your questions will become solved in a easier way. Always remember. Now, above it has the second floor and so on up to the 7th floor. Till here, the data is not required for you. Redundant data, no, not required. Okay, now. So, if lives on third floor, this is what we have to pick. F lives on third floor, so F will live here. Okay, this is clear. This is clear. Now, then they are telling three friends. So we are identifying the exact statement which is required. Three friends lives between the floor of B and F. So three persons, three friends lives between the floor of B and F. So in both the diagram, B will be here, right? See, similar thing I'm doing when when there is a chance of possibility. That is the reason I have taken two diagrams. Okay, now so in between B and F, see, B cannot be down because one is the first floor, right? Okay, so three friends live between the floor of B and F. This is also done. Okay, fine. Then E lives one floor below the floor of B. So E lives one floor below. So if B is living on 7th, then E will live one floor below. That is nothing but 6th. So E will be living here. That is also done. That is also done. You should not have any doubt. Then, okay, now what they're telling, A lives on any floor below F and G. So one thing is sure that A will be living below any floor F of G. So it is very much clear, either A will be here or A will be here. Agreed or not? Because A will be staying below F and G. G position I don't know right now, but F I know third. So A will be either on the second or first. There is only two options. So that is the reason when you have the choices, okay, when you have the possibilities, if you take two diagram, then it will be clear. Okay, fine. Okay, so this also is done. Now, next, G does not live on just above or below the floors of C or D. What they're telling, so G does not live on or above. Okay, so D does not leave, okay, above C and D. Now, so where are the option we can put C and D, my dear friends? So there is only this places left where C and D can be put. Okay, see, now there is below, there is only one option, you cannot do that. So C and D you will have to do it here only. Okay, so C and D you will have to do it here only. You can say, sir, C I will do at any place and D after this, but G is telling that, but it has been told G does not stay. G does not stay after C and D. So this is the only place where C and D. So either C or D will sit here or C or D will sit here. Okay, that does not matter to us. Now, where should I place G? Because A leaves. Okay, so A leave on floor. A leaves on any floor below the floors of F and G. So definitely G will have to place here so that A leaves below F and G. So here C or D, here C or D, right? Okay. Now this is the correct. Now this is the correct puzzle diagram. So this you can say it's a puzzle. Okay, and this is a very good question. So what they're asking, on which floor does A lives? So A will be living on the first floor. Now, my dear friends, if you have any doubt, then please put in the comment box. And if you're liking the video, if you're understanding everything, then I will request you, please mention in the comment section if you're understanding, so I will make more and more mock test before your exam. Okay, now select the number from among the given option that can replace the question mark in the following series. So we have 9, we have 26, we have 77, we have 230, and then we have what? So my dear friends, here what I could see, 9 into 3 minus 1. So 9 into 3 minus 1, 27 minus 1 will be 26. Then 26 into 3, 78 minus 1 will be 77. Then 77 into 3. So 3 7 are 21 and 22. Sorry, 23 minus 1. It will become 230. And then 230 into 3 minus 1. 690 minus 1 will be 689. So this question was quite simple. So you have to mark 689 and come back from the exam. Number series will be very, very important. in the your examination. Okay, then question number 11. So again, this is a question from the topic number series. Okay, so we have 5, we have 11, we have 35, we have 143, we have what, that is what we have to find out, and 4319. So 5 into 2 will be 10, and 10 plus 1 will be 11. Then 11 into 3, 33, plus 2 will be 35. So what we are doing? Multiplied by 2 plus 1, multiplied by 3 plus 2. Then 35 into 4, multiplied by 4. So 4 5 are 20, and 12 plus 2 will be 14. So 140 plus, so 1, 2, and here it will be 3. So 143. Then 140 into, see, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 14 into 5, 700, right? So if I am not, okay, sorry, 143, right? Okay, 143. Here it is 143. So 5 threes are 15, and 17, 70 plus 1, 71 plus 4. It will be 719. So it will be 719. So 719 will be the correct answer. That means option D will be the correct answer for the question number 11. So this is a number series question. Now, question number 12. Friends, if you go through this session carefully, if you solve all the question, trust me, you are going to get lot of confidence in reasoning. Okay, at the end of the video you'll realize that now many concepts which you are not very much comfortable, you have become comfortable. Okay, a team of 4 with minimum 2 girls, a team of 4 with minimum 2 girls is required, okay, to be formed from among the 4 girls. So the girls is ABCD, and the boys is EFGH, 4 boys. This is simple question, don't worry. Now, so what they're telling, A and E will always be together. So now you see, so A and E will be always be together. In the option C, with A, E is not there. So anyway, this is, so which of the following team will be viable team? So option C went off. F cannot go with D, and vice versa. Now, so anywhere F is going with D, no. Okay, so anyway, in this option it was going, so it is eliminated. B and H cannot be put together. Option C, option A you see B and H is together. Option B you see B and H is together. So this option D will be your correct answer. See, in many question which will be done just by seeing it, but we will not attempt thinking that this question is quite tough. See why it happens? Because of the lack of practice. If you practice this kind of question before you go for the exam, then automatically these things will be simple. Then, so data sufficiency. So in reasoning ability, data sufficiency question will be asked for sure any exam. Either you write TCS, you write Infosys, you write Cognizant, any exam. So definitely this data sufficiency question will be there. What is the cost of each pen? See, data sufficiency question, one thing which will be good is, so you do not have to find out the answer. Okay, like you see this question, 4 pen, so 4 pen and 5 pencil together, so 4 pens and 5 pencil together cost 24 rupees. If the cost of each pen is reduced by 50%, then 16 pens plus 10 pencils, okay, 16 pens plus 10 pencils will together cost you 50 rupees. Okay, now, so you can see here we have 16 pens and plus 10 pencil. Okay, so you have been given two equations, okay, and two unknowns, pen and pencil. So there are two unknowns and two equations, you will be easily able to solve. So what is the cost of each pen? So from one equation you cannot solve. Always remember, if you have one unknown, then you need one equation. If you have two unknowns, then you need two equations to solve it. Okay, so here in one equation you have two unknowns, so you cannot solve. So this is very very clear that statement 1 alone and statement 2 alone you cannot solve. Okay, you need, the question can be answered with the help of both the statement together. Okay, because one equation, okay, and two unknowns you will never be able to solve. Mathematics will become wrong if you are able to solve. Okay, so one equation one unknown, two equations, two unknown. So here you do not have to find out the price of each pen. Keep that in mind. Here you do not have to find out the price of each pen, because they're just asking you tell me if you can answer or not. They're not asking you to tell the value. They're just asking if you can do it or not. Question number 14 is a very good question from the data sufficiency. Before I solve, I will tell you circumference will be 2 pi r. So if we'll talk about a circle, then circumference formula will be 2 pi r and area will be pi r square. Now please try to understand carefully. So the circumference of circle y is 2 times the circumference of circle x. The circumference of circle y is twice the circumference of circle x. What is the area of circle x? Okay, now, so you have been given two statements. Statement 1, the area of circle y. The area of circle y is 100 pi. So what will be area? So pi r square is equals to 100 pi. Okay, now pi and pi will get cancelled. So what will be radius? Radius will become 10. So we know now the radius of, what? Y circle. Okay, fine. In the question they have given, so circumference of y is equals to 2 times of circumference of x. So 2 pi r y will be equal to 2 into 2 pi r x. So 2 pi and 2 pi cancelled. Okay, and r radius we know 10. So 10 is equals to 2 into rx. So 2 5 ja. So rx will be 5, and when rx we know, so area will be pi r square. So pi is 3.17 and r square is 5, so 25 pi. So we are able to find out the area from statement 1. Okay, now, so then we will take the help of statement 2. We will see statement 2 what it is giving. The circumference of circle y is 20 pi. So the circumference of circle y is 20 pi. So circumference will be 2 pi r is equals to 20 pi. So pi and pi cancelled and 2 10 ja. So radius of circle y will become 10. Okay, now after this they have given in this question, so it will become the same thing. So either you take statement 1 or you take statement 2, you will be able to answer the question. So the question can be answered, with the help of either of the statement. So option D will become the correct answer for the question. Next we have, friends, CRWR. Okay, so before that I will write this A B C D E F G H. See, after engineering we are reading A B C D, so that is really strange. We had never thought that we will be getting it again, but reasoning made it possible. U B W X Y Z. Okay, now let us try to see. So Y to A and A to C. So A to C means a plus 1, right? So if we'll do a plus 1, or see it up to you. So you are missing one alphabet or you are directly going to C. Okay, so a to C, and then y. So y plus z and z plus 1 more. Okay, so y plus 2. So here also it will be, so here it will be what? Definitely w, because w plus 2 will be nothing but y. So first letter we got, so option C is eliminated. Then let us take the last one. So YNR. Okay, so sorry, JNR. So J is where? So J is here. So 1 2 3. So you can say J plus 4. Okay, so it was nothing but N, and that N 1 2 3 4. So again N plus 4 was nothing but R. So here what should be? So here what it should be? So definitely 1 2 3 4. So it should be nothing but F. So F plus 4, again it will be J. So here it was nothing but F. Okay, so in the last we have F. Okay, fine. Now, so again we could see the same thing is here, R N. Okay, R N J. So here also it will be F. So R N J, so here it will be also F. So W F E F. Okay, so option B will become the correct answer. So friends, the today what 15 questions we have solved, do not take it very easy. These questions are very important, and these are what questions you are going to get in exam. Now I wanted you to comment in the comment section, my dear friends, that how much time you took to solve the question, and also comment if you are liking this session, because I really put lot of effort, As I said in one video, 3 to 4 hours of the effort goes on. Okay, so please put, if the videos are good, share with your friends. And yes, and I will make more and more mock test. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you get all the examination related update. Okay, thank you, take care, all the very best for exam.